When working with printed documents, many people prefer to see the document double-spaced. If you have a single-spaced document, but you need to print a quick copy double-spaced, this is the absolute fastest way I've come across to accomplish the task. It's not uncommon to need a double-spaced printout of a document while you're developing it. However, it can be bothersome to save the document as double-spaced, particularly if the need for double spacing is only temporary, meaning that your final document will be single-spaced. If you need an extremely easy way to print a double-spaced document, start by saving your document. Now, press Ctrl-A, and that selects the entire document, and then press Ctrl-2 to double-space it. Finally, press Ctrl-P, and you can print your document. That's it. 3 simple shortcut keys in quick succession, and you've got your double-spaced printout. Once you're done printing, make sure that you close the document without saving it. This is very important so that you don't overwrite the document that you previously saved. Unless you really want it permanently double-spaced, make sure you close without saving. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Do so, and it'll end up in your email inbox every Saturday morning. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.